In this video, we are going to explore Apple Creator Studio for creators, designers, developers, and content professionals. Instead of using multiple platforms, Apple brings together several creative applications into one ecosystem. For designers and developers, this means having tools for video editing, design and graphics, music production, presentation and documentation, all integrated with the Apple ecosystem. For video creators and content producers, Apple includes Final Cut Pro, Motion, and Compressor. Final Cut Pro is widely used for professional video editing and is often preferred by creators working inside the Apple ecosystem. Motion is used for motion graphics and visual effects, while Compressor helps optimize and export video projects efficiently. For music creators and sound designers, Apple includes Logic Pro and MainStage, which are powerful tools for producing music and live performance setups. These tools allow creators to build full production pipelines. For designers, one of the interesting tools included is Pixelmator Pro. Pixelmator Pro is a professional image editing and graphics design tool optimized for Mac OS. It supports modern design workflows such as layered editing, vector tools, advanced color adjustments, AI-powered image enhancements. For web designers who often create graphics for websites, social media, or marketing assets, Pixelmator Pro can work as a lightweight alternative to tools like Photoshop. Apple also includes several productivity tools that can be useful in creative and development workflows. These include Pages, Numbers, Keynote, and Freeform. Pages can be used for documentation or content writing. Numbers work for spreadsheets and project tracking. Keynote is excellent for creating presentation or pitch decks. Freeform is particularly interesting because it works as a collaborative brainstorming board where teams can visually plan projects. For developers and designers, another important aspect Apple emphasizes here is smart automation and AI-powered tools. Video tools can automatically organize clips and suggest edits. Music production tools can help detect chords and assist with arrangements. Image editing software can automatically remove backgrounds or enhance photos. These tools are designed to speed up creative workflow without replacing creative decisions. For creators and developers working inside Apple ecosystem, Creator Studio represents a more unified workflow. Instead of buying each creative tool separately, Apple provides a bundle. It's Apple's attempt to bring together powerful creative tools into one platform for modern creators. If you work in video, design, music, or digital content production, this bundle could become a useful part of your workflow. Thanks for watching.